Hi, here's how to add confetti to your smooth.io page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to smooth.io, and after logging in, on the main menu, hover your mouse to landing pages, then My Landing Pages. Select the landing page that you want to add the confetti page on by clicking on the edit icon. Once you're inside the editor, look for Settings and click it. Please note, you can disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Scroll and click the drop-down for Advanced Settings. Now, under Tracking Codes, you will see the Conversion Codes box for Code Head, where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. So this is what it will look like. Now, right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the code pasted, click on the Save button. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, test it out by clicking Publish Options, then click on the link so it opens in a new tab. And if you did all the steps correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.